What is going on, everyone? We are back again with another home tour. We are in the Natomas crossing part of Natomas, and this one is a newer home built in 2018. And then, as you can see, as I turn around, the park that they've been building for a couple of years is almost complete. So that is good. Okay. Yeah, so this one's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, full ones. A bedroom downstairs, 2,220 square feet. Man, you got your LVP flooring. You got a lot of shiplap on the walls, and you'll see that throughout. Well, here's your first bathroom with a nice tile flooring. Standard shower and tub. HOA is like $60 a month, and that just takes care of the common areas like the park, roads, and your front yard. This is your first bedroom. 2 windows there for a little bit of natural light. Closet right there. As we come back out, we've got our living room and dining right here. So dining, kitchen, and living room. And now you can see over here, accent wall with the shiplap wood. As you can see, we got our kids playing outside. Now, amazing countertops. You can see, nice faucet too. Love the lighting here. You got your stainless steel appliances, except for the fridge, which does not come with it. I like the stainless steel handles on the cabinets. You also got a wine fridge here as well. Take a look at that. You got your extra large subway tile backsplash. And your stainless steel farm sink. Dishwasher right there. Now you've got your backyard. Since this is fairly new, they don't have pretty big yards. As you can see, decent size. Not big, but if you want low maintenance, this would be perfect. And boom, right there. Okay. Now you got your 2-car garage in here. Tankless water heater. What I also like is they have, this is like padding. It's not brick, but it's just brick style. Padding right here. I've also got some type of tile roof, ceiling, excuse me. Okay. Plantation shutters. Those are amazing. Pretty expensive too. And this is just the closet and storage under the stairs. And as we go up, this carpet is very, very dense, so good quality. More windows up here. The plantation shutters. As soon as you go to your first left, laundry room right here. Looks out to the park. Couple cabinets right there for you. Same style as what there are in the kitchen. And you can hang your clothes up right there. And that's a little better view of the park. Reverse. This is your second bedroom. 2 windows as well. Pretty much the same size as the first one we've seen downstairs. We got a 3rd bedroom. Only 1 window, so not as much natural light, but you do have your accent wall right there. More shiplap wood. You got a little cabinet space right here for linens if you like. Now as we come in here, dual sinks, same style cabinets as downstairs. Nice countertop. I think it's marble. Oversized mirror. Separate toilet for, separate area for toilet and bathtub/shower combination. And if you haven't seen previous videos of mine before, definitely like the Natomas area. I live here as well. Good eats, good food, some good education. Really nice. This is a closet. As you could tell, they definitely put some work into this. Man, so much organization skills. First off, I'm super jealous because I wish I had that. And then you are all into the master bedroom and, primary. Large windows right here. There's about 6 in total. So quite a bit of natural light. And you've got your accent wall with the chef black wood. You can see. And you've got the last one, the third and final bathroom. Dual sinks, large mirror, medicine cabinet, marble counters. Same thing with the tub right here. What I do like is that there is a separate tub and shower. And then you got the frosted glass. That way you have some privacy. Man. You also got linen closet here for you. Separate area for the toilet. And that is literally it. So thank you guys once again for looking at my videos. If you have not, you can subscribe or go take a look at some other ones. Y'all have a good one.